Have you ever felt like your money is just sitting there in a traditional bank account, doing absolutely nothing for you? That was me until I really dug into the Wealthsimple checking account, which they used to call cash. It's not just a place to hold money, it's a strategic tool for saving. I'm going to share the 3 key strategies I use to maximize my savings with this account. No fluff, just straight to the point. 1. Maximize your interest rate with direct deposit. The single best move I made was setting up my paycheck direct deposit with Wealthsimple. Why? Because it gives you an immediate interest rate boost. The basic rate is great. To start, the interest rate on your entire balance is already competitive, much higher than what most big banks offer on a standard checking account. The boost is key. By directly depositing at least $2,000 of your paycheck into your account each month, you get an extra 0.5% interest. This boost applies to all the money in your checking account. The result, this simple step moves your account from being a place where money sits to a high-yield home for your emergency fund or short-term savings, while still giving you instant access. Since interest is calculated daily and paid monthly, you're earning money 24/7. 2. Leverage multiple accounts for goal-based saving. This is where the checking account acts like a super saver. Unlike a traditional bank that might limit you, Wealthsimple lets you open multiple individual and joint checking accounts, up to 8 of each. The sinking fund system, I use these accounts as sinking funds. Instead of one big savings pot, I have a different Wealthsimple checking account for each major goal. One for my emergency fund. One for my vacation fund. One for upcoming bills, like insurance or annual fees. One for everyday spending, linked to my card. The strategy, this makes it easy to stick to my budget. The money for the vacation is physically separated from my everyday spending money, and because all these accounts earn interest, my savings are actually growing in their respective buckets. 3. Automate your transfers and cash back to invest. The final, crucial step is automating the flow of money out of your primary checking account and into your investments. Automated investing, the minute my paycheck hits, an automatic transfer moves a fixed percentage, my savings rate, into my Wealthsimple TFSA, tax-free savings account, and RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This is known as paying yourself first. By automating it, I don't have to think about it. The money is invested before I can even be tempted to spend it. Cashback automation. If you use the prepaid MasterCard linked to your account, you earn 1% cash back on almost every purchase. The brilliant part is you can set that cash back to be automatically invested into a stock, ETF, or crypto in your self-directed investing account. Instead of getting a tiny bit of cash, you turn your everyday spending into a tiny, continuous investment. By combining the interest rate boost from direct deposit, using multiple accounts for clear goal separation, and automating my savings and cash back into investments, I've transformed my Wealthsimple checking account from a basic bank account into the cornerstone of my entire savings strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.